Good morning, students. I am Praveen Thakur here with your Standard 3 English. Welcome back to our English class. Students, today I am going to start with the poem The Brook, written by Lucy Diamond. So don't be confused, students. There are two poems, The Brook. One is written by some other author, Tennis, and this is written by Lucy Diamond. So first let us see about Lucy Diamond. Lucy Diamond is born in 1970. She is an English author of female lead fiction whose real name is Sue Mongrederian. She grew up in Nottingham as one of four siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters, and went to university in Leeds, that is in England, where she studied English literature. So female lead fiction means where the females, like a girl, a woman, they are the main character. Now before we start, let us see the word meanings. What is brook? Brook means a small stream, that is the river that flows. So a small river that flows is known as stream. Merry means happy and full of fun. Rippling, flowing by making small waves in water. So when you see the water is very silent, quiet it is. When you throw a little stone, so what happens? There are ripples, it goes round and round, you can see the waters. So that is known as ripples, the small waves. Hasten means to move hurriedly, quickly. Now let us see the poem. I like to watch the merry brook go rippling on its way. So I like to watch means the speaker, she likes to sit near the brook and likes to watch the merry brook. Why merry? Because it is very happily, it is going slowly and without any hustle, it is going by. Rippling on its way, you can see the rocks and all out here, but still the river is flowing. Nothing can stop this and it keeps on going. It sings me such a happy song all through the summer day. So why it is written it sings me a happy song? Does the stream sing? No. But out here it is given because when they are moving through the rocks, a little noise comes. The voice comes of the river that is passing, especially when rocks and stones are there. So she feels it, that it is singing a song for me when the brook is passing by, going by, all through the summer day. That is, in the summer season it is moving and it looks as if the brook is singing a song for the speaker. It tells me tales of many things. Tales means stories. As you can see here, it is coming through the forest, through these rocks, isn't it? And it is passing, coming from the mountains. About the hill, on the grass I lie. I lie means she is lying down on the grass. That is sleeping on the grass. She is not sleeping, she is just lying down. About the hills from which it came and where it goes and why. So as the brook is moving by, she feels it as if it is telling her from where the stream is coming, from up on the hills, and where it is going. It is coming from the hills, moving gently, passing through the mountains, hills, through the rocks, stones. So it's telling her everything to the speaker, and where it goes and why it is going, where it is coming from and where it is going. It tells me tales of many things, as on the grass I lie, about the hills from which it came and where it goes and why. And if I had a tiny boat, a sailing I would go. Here you can see a small boat is there. So the speaker also wishes that if I have a small boat, a sailing I would go. That means she also wants to go with the brook, with the stream, on the boat, and hasten with the brook to join. And hasten means to go quickly. Why? Because the river is not stopping for her. It is continuously going, coming from the hills, and it is going. So she quickly wants to go on a boat with the brook. The river deep and slow. So where the brook goes, it goes and joins in the bigger river. So she wants to go with the boat to the bigger river along with the brook, as it is singing a song for her, and so also she also wants to enjoy the rippling of the waves going up and down. So, and if I had a tiny boat, a sailing I would go, and hasten with the brook to join the river deep and slow. So when the stream is coming from the mountains, it is high up, so it is coming very fast. But when it comes down, it becomes a little slow when it joins the big river. Because the river is on the plains, it is little flat, it is not coming from the hills or mountains now. So it becomes little slow. So she also wishes the speaker to join the river on a boat along with the stream. So this was the poem, students. I hope you like this poem. Now let us see some exercise. Here you can see this girl. She is looking at the stream, and here you can see the stream, how it is coming from up near the hills, and it is going by, and she is lying now. So this is what is known as lie, L-I-E. And she is lying and looking at these brook that is flowing by, and when it is the stones and rocks, when it hits them, it looks as if they make a ripple, and it looks as if they are singing a song for her. See how beautifully she is lying on the grass and listening to the ripples that is made by the brook. Now here's some exercise. The merry brook sings a happy song to the speaker. So there are three options out here. So students, can you tell me which will be the correct answer? The merry brook sings a happy song to the speaker. For whom? In the hills from where it came, throughout the day in summer, about the deep and slow river. So throughout the day in summer, as we learnt in the first stanza of the poem. Second, as the speaker lies on the grass, the brook tells her tales of what tales? What stories does the brook tell her? Her joining the river as it goes, rippling on its way, the beauty of the summer days, the hills from which it came and where it goes. So it is telling her about the hills from which it came and where it goes. The speaker wishes to have a tiny boat because she wants to. So again there are three options. Move hurriedly with the brook to join the river, sail on the brook rippling her way through it, move slowly through the deep and slow river. So option A, move hurriedly with the brook to join the river, as in the word we saw hasten. So hasten means hurriedly, quickly. So quickly she wants to go on the boat in the stream and join the river. Now let us see question answer. Does the speaker enjoy watching the brook? What makes you think so? The speaker enjoys watching the brook. It makes me think so because the speaker considers the brook her friend, as she feels it sings a song for her from where it is coming and where it is going, as she is lying on the grass through the summer day. Why do you think the speaker wishes to join the deep and slow river with the brook? The speaker wishes to join the deep and slow river with the brook because she wants to know where does the brook goes and further along follow along with the river. So she also wants to join the river to see where the brook is going, coming from the hills, and it is joining the river. So students, this was the question answers and the poem. So students, let me read the poem once more. I like to watch the merry brook go rippling on its way. It sings me such a happy song all through the summer day. It tells me tales of many things as on the grass I lie, about the hills from which it came and where it goes and why. And if I had a tiny boat, a sailing I would go and hasten with the brook to join the river deep and slow. So students, this is the way you read the poem, learn the stanzas, question answers. Thank you students and take care.